Hello, Calvin Jones here with the Park Tool Company, enjoying some new shoes on the Steed, and they make you feel fast. Nothing like new rubber, get the season going. So I mounted this one up, went on nicely, bead popped nicely, seems to be good there, but I've been losing air quicker than I think we should. Overnight, or even from the morning to that evening, it's getting soft and squishy. So what's going on here? Well, things do lose air. Isn't that normal? Sure. The birthday balloon is porous, is it gonna lose air? Your car tires, they're even gonna be porous and we're gonna lose some air. Bike tires, certainly. All right, I am told that even our skin is porous. It's actually part of our respiratory system. Now, we're not frog-like to that extent, but there's air going in and out. Now, correct me, our doctors out there, if I'm wrong. Let's make that medical doctors. Doctors of philosophy, doctors of engineering. Shh, okay? Now, let's do a little test here and see if we can find out where this thing is leaking. So we're gonna take the valve cap off. Oh, and yes, that is, in fact, a ladybug valve cap. That's what you get when you have Schrader tubeless. Another reason to switch to the Schrader Revolution. Let's throw some air in here. We're gonna, let's see, 30, pretty much 40, that's enough. Now, just a simple test, water, some soap. Soapy water, we're gonna just squirt it right there on the sidewall and see what happens. Smooth that out and give it a little bit of a spin there. Let that sit. And bubbles all over. So each one, just a teeny little bubble, that's not much air, is that? But if we were to add up all of these little seepages all over the sidewalls to one, that's basically a thorn prick, right? So what's going on here? This is tubeless tire, but it's not uncommon for companies to provide your tires effectively with an ulcer when you buy them. What does that mean? It is lacking the mucus inside the the tire casing that helps seal it. So the tire sealant provides that membrane in there, that goopy stuff. So we don't want to wipe that out if for some reason you have to correct your tape or something. So that has to be in there. So we'd like that. I have the correct amount, but placement's important. Notice here it's horizontal. It's going to sit a while. We can spin it on the WH1. That's kind of fun. Then after a while, I'm going to have to flip the pancake and let the other side sit. So you can see the most bubbly side is the side that was up first. That's what we need to know. It's porous, but we can fix that with our sealant, some procedures, and time. And then we are ready to ride. Go out and ride.